Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the two files, now link them. Open index. HTML in Notepad and type a minimal HTML skeleton. Once the body content exists, add script src equals script. JS/script immediately before the closing /body tag so the DOM loads first. Save both files with correct extensions and encoding UTF-8. Make sure file names match exactly, including capitalization. This is how the browser locates your JavaScript file. Then open index. HTML in your browser to confirm the file is requested. Decide why you linked JS externally. Maintainability and caching are the reasons. If you need quick debugging, put a small inline script in the body, but move production code to script. JS. Once done, consider adding defer to the external tag, script src equals script. JS defer/script, so scripts run after parsing. Make sure DOM-dependent code runs after elements exist. Use DOM content loaded or defer. Also enable line numbers in Notepad++ or another editor. If you frequently finish by testing your link thoroughly. Open the browser dev tools console and watch for 404 or syntax errors. File path mistakes are the most common cause. If the console reports MIME or blocked content, check server or local file permissions. Make sure you saved script. JS after every change and then refresh the page. If caching interferes, use Ctrl plus F5 or append a query string like v = 1. If nothing runs, ensure the script tag is correctly placed and file names match exactly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.